Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include cruise control, CD player, steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2013 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.